Hi all, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video, we will be covering upon how we can create a file and read the data and obviously write some data in that. What I will be doing here, I have some lecture 17.py. I think like lecture 18, today is the lecture 18. That it's a new file. Yeah, let's create a new file with the name lecture 18.py. So what you have to do, I already have a name like meet.txt. So what I will be doing here in this today's video, let's open that file. So how we'll be opening the file? We have creating a variable, then I will be using a open function. Inside that I have to read the meet. I have to give the file name. Okay, and then I can assign that what is the what is the mode that I can use. So I will be using a W mode. Before that, let's show what is there inside the file. That's also important. Let's open this. I have this meet this favorite my favorite actors, and I show tablet, that kind of stuff I have. So what I will be doing here, what I can do, b dot, this is the right function, and you can see when you will hover to that, you will get this. Let me write something. Meet is available on G5, and I love that series. That kind of stuff I am writing here. That's a random thing that I am writing here. I read this. Now what I'm doing, I can close this using this mb.close that is available here. Okay, let me run this. I will be running this using this command, and you can see like Meet is available on G5, and I love that series. So it's updated that. So it checked like whether this file is available or not. This file was already available in that directory. What it did, it replaced the content because I choose this as a W. If I wanted to go with A, what's the reason with the A and W? Now if I do A and I just Meet is available, that kind of stuff I write. But and if I run this now, what it will be happening? I run that. Now if I open this file, you can see a Meet is available. It got appended. So if you want to append the data, like if you want to add the data on the top of our data that is already available in the file, you have to use the A keyword. Now let's change it. Let me do something like I have some other file like mb.txt. I don't have any file name mb.txt. I'm writing A mode, and then I will be running this. So let's run this. Let's run this, and you can see like a file got created. Meet is available with that content because I wrote an A as a that this file is not was not available, so it just created that. Okay, so now the last thing that we will be covering here, just wanted to show you something. Before that, let's do one thing. I can do, okay, control that. By the way, I typed here, it doesn't work. A equal to, and I can print that character as well. By the way, okay, let me run this. I have this 17 character. By the way, you can open the file and check what is the character available in that file. Let's just open that file. This is it got appended because I choose as A as a target. One more thing before winding up, let's do one more thing. If I want to read the file as well as I want to update the file as well, so what I can do, like I have this meet.txt. I will be opening this file. Then what I can do, like I can do like this. I'm going to do the print command, and I have a read function. By the way, if you're not aware about these functions and these things, you have to follow our the courses. Go and watch that course first, the previous videos before coming to this video. Ambivert, right? Then what I can do, then what I have to do, I have to write this. Let's write something. MB is okay. MB is okay, and let me comment out these things. These things are not needed for now. Let's run this. Okay, it's showing it's not readable. Let me first of all close this file. Let's try this. MB.read is not a it's not readable. Why it's not readable? Okay, my bad. Like I don't have to use that arc append one. I have to use this R plus and then run this. See, I'm able to read that file. Meet is available. Meet is available. And let's open this file as well. You can say like MB is this got appended. Like so, if you want to open the file, read the file, and as well as you have to append something to that, you have to use that R plus as an mode. So in this video, just we covered about how to we can read and write the file. I will meet you in some other video where we will be talking about something else. So till then. Yeah, in this video just we covered upon how we can work with the read and write functions in the Python. I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye.